Alright, so here's some actually useful life hacks to make your life a little bit smoother. First, here's how to get rid of those annoying mid-roll ads on YouTube. Skip to the very end of the video, click the replay button, and they'll all be gone, simple as that. Next, if you ever wanted to use voice to text on your computer while you're writing a paper or doing homework or something, and found out that it is ridiculously hard to set up on a computer, just do this instead. Open a Google Doc on your computer, then get the app on your phone and open the same doc on there, and then use your phone's voice to text. It'll automatically sync with what's on your computer, and when you don't need the voice to text, you can just keep editing or whatever as one does. Lastly, use YouTube less for listening to music and SoundCloud more. For instance, if you want to listen to lo-fi music on YouTube while doing something else, most of the time it doesn't work. So instead, use SoundCloud online. You don't even need to download the app, and you can listen to any music without a pop-up, and it'll keep playing while the screen's off. Make sure to check out part 2 of this video. It is up on my profile right now. Here's more life hacks to make life less stupid. First, you can turn a YouTube video into a GIF. Yeah, a GIF, just by typing GIF into the URL right before YouTube. Just select what part of the video you want to make into a GIF, and now you can save or share or do whatever one does with GIFs. And of course, I had to use my own YouTube channel as the example for this one. Next, if you like aesthetic things and you want random aesthetic things every time you open a new page in Chrome, download Unsplash Instant. It's a Chrome extension that shows a random aesthetic picture from unsplash.com every time you open a new tab. And last but not least, go to whitedisplay.com to make your screen any solid color you pick. Black is for seeing how much dust and disgustingness is on your screen, don't judge me here, and red, green, and blue are for seeing if you have any dead pixels. Yeah, I know I have a random stripe of malfunctioning pixels on the right side of my screen, and yes, they annoy the heck out of me. Make sure to follow me if you enjoyed for more stuff like this.